everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm sorry if it's been a while because on my last video I did a video about this palette, the Stay Sassy. I said it reminded me of my hamster because I call her Miley, my Sassy Miley. Sadly, I'm gonna put the link below. Sadly, she didn't make it. She passed away last month on the 28th, and I was there the whole time she died. Before she died in my arms. Until she took her last breath, I was holding her. And I just want to thank God that I was there when it happened. At least she didn't die alone. So it's really painful for me because I've seen her suffer. I've seen her have that last hope that she will make it when I took her to the vet, because she got wetted before and she survived. And then when I took her to the vet 2 weeks before she passed, she was very hopeful that, she probably feel like help was on the way. And sadly, she really fought hard, but she wasn't able to make it. So, I'm really sad about that. I really took it hard. It's really hard for me coming home from work knowing she won't be there to greet me anymore. Because I remember when I opened the door and I'd be like, babies! And she'll be the first one to climb on her cage and look at me and greet me. So, yeah. That's the reason why it took me a while to do a video. So, anyway, I know before she died, she won't let go. She won't let go because she know I won't be okay. And then I told her that it's okay, Miley. Mommy's gonna be okay. I'm gonna take care of your babies. I'm gonna take care of Tom. And then she left. So I wanna show her that I have to keep my promise that I'll be fine. So here I am again doing what I used to do, moving on, and yeah. So what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna try out some makeup that most of them I haven't really used yet because I have a lot that I accumulated buying and I haven't really tried it yet. Like sometimes I even forgot that I have those. Anyway, we're gonna focus on the one that I just got recently, the Violet Voss Vibes. I got the other one, the other one, the matte. So we're gonna see what we can do. Also, I'm gonna mix it with, I don't know what look I'm gonna come up with, but if ever I need something, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Stay Sassy to remember Miley. So this is a very special palette for me now because this was the last. I'm gonna put the link below so you'll know because it was the last one in the store. It's probably a sign that she's gonna stay with me no matter what. So anyway, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put my foundation, and I don't know what foundation I'm gonna use today. I'm probably gonna try this. Yeah, it's a tinted glow, and I'm gonna use my favorite powder with that. And what I'm gonna use for my brow is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in medium brown. And then I'm gonna try this brow sesame. Hold on. That's one of the reasons why I'm not making video too, because of my allergy. Anyway, I'm gonna fast forward that, and I'm just letting you know now what I'll be using. Okay, I'll be back.
obvious mistake. The moment's fleeting, I know what I've become. A boy obsessed with your kiss. Hips, lips, and fingertips keep me close on this reel. It seems we're all actors in art, but this time you've gone too far. This time you've gone too much for me, too much for him. I see the sun, I got the wind, but this time you've gone too far. Break, 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 break my heart. Come on, tear it apart. Dismantle me from the inside out. Come on now. Break, 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 break my heart. Come on, tear it apart. Dismantle me from the inside out. Come on now. Break, 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 break my heart. Come on, tear it apart. Dismantle me from the inside out. Come on now. Break, 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 break my heart. Come on, tear it apart. Dismantle me from the inside out. Come on now. Break, 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 break my heart. Come on, tear it apart. Dismantle me from the inside, the inside, the inside out.
Pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk, you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up, touch the ceiling, monks, let's a funk flow. Someone's talking junk, yo, I'll bust him in the eye. And then I'll take the punks out, feeling funky. Amps in the trunk and I got more rhymes than this cops at a junkie. Donut shop, sure enough, I got props from the kids on the hill, plus my mom and my pops. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around, jump around, jump around, jump around, jump up and get down. Jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 jump. I'll serve your ass like John McEnroe. If your girl steps up, I'm smacking the hoe. Word to your moms, I came to drop bombs. I got more rhymes than the Bible's got psalms. And just like the prodigal son, I've returned. Anyone stepping on me, you'll get burned. Cause I got lyrics, but you ain't got none. If you come to battle, bring a shotgun. But if you do, you're a fool, cause I do to the death. Trying to step to me, you take your last breath. I got the skill, come get your fill. Cause when I shoot the gift, I shoot the kill. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around, jump around, jump around, jump around, jump up and get down. Jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 jump. I'm the cream of the crop, I rise to the top. I never eat a pig cause a pig is a cop. Or better yet, a Terminator, like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Trying to play me out like as if my name was Sega. But I ain't going out like no perk, bitch. Get used to one style of yo when I might switch it up and around. Then buck you down, put out your head and then you wake up in the dawn of the dead. I'm coming to get ya, I'm coming to get ya. Spitting out lyrics, homie, I wet ya. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around, jump around, jump around, jump around, jump up and get down. Jump, 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 everybody jump, jump, jump,
got the most time to make the world go round. Or can you spare a dime? Place your bet on our sound. Come back to town. Don't lose sight of potential mastermind. Remember when you were young. Electric you. That way you see the energy coming up, coming onto the road. The future only belongs in the hands of the self. The future is electric you. It's true, you can find it, live by it. The next generation, electric. We do what comes naturally. You see no way for the possibility. Don't you see a strong resemblance to yourself? Don't you think what we say is important? Whatever it may be, the fun is gonna start with me. Bringing it back, electric you. That we see the energy coming up, coming onto the road. The future only belongs to the future itself. The future is electric you. That's true, you can find it, live by it. The next generation, electrify it.